Hey everybody, welcome to part 2 of the Nanoscape build that I'm doing. And today we're going to do the substrate for you and step you through that. And I'm looking forward to this, been excited about it. This is being played out over several weeks because of the commitments I have, obviously, for raising newborns, but with the wife. But I'm excited to do this, and today we're going to do all the substrate, and part 3 will be our hardscape plant, and then part 3 will do the planting and whatnot. So that's how we're going to break this up. So let's get into this. So you can kind of see conceptually what my plan is. I've already got the under substrate heater installed there, and let's talk about the substrates we're going to use. So first, I'm going to put down this product called Fluval Stratum. This is some awesome stuff from what I've been reading, and I'm looking forward to trying it out. It's volcanic soil, and it's very rich in minerals to support planted tanks. It lowers pH, which is a good product for planted tanks. It does not compact, from what I've been reading, and so it actually allows for the colonies of nitrifying bacteria to grow and support that, so that's very healthy for a tank. I think it says on here you don't have to, you shouldn't rinse it beforehand. I'm not going to do any rinsing anyways, just because I'm not too concerned about clouding the water early on, since it's going to be several weeks before I ever put any fish in it anyways. So I'm going to start off with a layer of this, and then I'm going to go to Flourite Sand. Flourite Sand, any kind of Flourite product is really awesome because it's just a clay substrate, and it never goes bad. You can reuse this stuff as you need to. Clay is really good for rooting structures, as the roots really cling to the fluorite, and so we're going to give that a shot. So, and then I'm going to cap it with just black sand. This is Supernatural's premium aquarium substrate. I really wanted a black sand tank this time, and so that's what I'm going to use to cap it. So essentially, to recap, this will be, I'm going to shoot for about 1/2-inch layers, since I'm talking about a pretty small tank anyways. I'm going to just start out with that and see what happens. So basically 1/2 inch of this, 1/2 inch to an inch, 1/2 inch to an inch of this, and then cap it as necessary here. One thing to note that is a technique to use when you're aquascaping is I wanted to add some height to the bonsai there, and so to do that you can build up your substrate for it to sit on. And to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the gravel, which in the previous video I showed how to prepare, just using that to build up the height of your substrate and then cap it again. Since there's not going to be many plants right around the base that it sits on, it's not a huge deal that you can do that. So that's what we're going to do. So let's give it a shot, and we'll just put this on a time lapse and see how it works. happy with how this is going to look. This really pops. I love the light on this, and it can only get better from here in my opinion. So yeah, I might have gotten a little bit thick with the substrate. We're going to see about that. As I was putting it down, I was thinking about the hair grass I want to put in there and see how that works. I might yet still build up the height of this. I don't have a whole lot of room to play with, but I'm recognizing now that the hair grass, as it grows, it might block a little bit of the bonsai. Yeah, this is looking good so far. I just love that sand. I think it's called Tahitian Moon or something like that. I forgot to check on that, but it just has this glittery look to it. It's gorgeous. So it'll make an awesome cap. And as you can see with the brilliant white LED light, this is going to look really good once it's all set up. So my next video will be on the hardscape as I get the rocks set up. And if you have any questions, leave them below. And look forward to talking to you soon.